Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. This is my Lenovo laptop and I want to basically enter it in save mode. So how can I do this? So this is very simple. So when you go to here, for example, press this icon, okay, and this is the basically the power button. Click on this and hold the shift button, okay, press the shift button and then select on the restart or shutdown. Okay, so I will press the for example restart. Okay, so I hold the shift button and click on this, okay, and click on restart. So now you will see that a various option will be showing to us here. After the restart, these options are showing to me. Okay, so go to the troubleshoot and inside the troubleshoot, okay, go to the advanced option here, advanced option, and inside the advanced option you need to go to the startup setting, this one, and inside the startup setting here you can see that it shows me that to enable low resolution and so on, enable save mode, click on the restart. And when you click on this restart, so now various button will be showing to you. Okay, so I click on the restart. Here you can see that now if I want to enter the laptop in safe mode, then it show me that enable debugging, enable boot logging and so on. So press F10 for more option and use the number keys from F9 to 9. Okay, so 1 is for the debugging, 2 is for the boot menu, basically logging, and for save mode it shows me F4. Okay, the fourth point. So therefore I press the this one, that is okay, if you can see F4, this one. Okay, so I press the F4 and now it will start, manually start the laptop in safe mode. You will see that. Okay, so it shows my login. Here you go, you can see that the laptop is in safe mode now. So this is how you can on the safe mode of your Lenovo laptop. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.